Today, I'm gonna try and convince myself that paying $300 for this little device to replace my $69 lav mic was actually a good idea. Let's do this. Hello everyone, I'm Pat and welcome back to another video. For those of you who don't know me, I make all sorts of videos using this microphone. This is the iRig Mic Lav. This was made for iPhones, but unfortunately, we all know that iPhones don't have a headphone jack anymore. And while to use this microphone, I always had to connect it like this, and then I would connect it to my phone, and then I would turn on voice memos, and then I'd start recording. This is how I record most of my voice with my videos. Well, I'm sick of using this, so that is why I upgraded. I went to the store and I bought this. I went to my friends at Moog Audio here in Montreal and got this beautiful Zoom F1. This is the LP model, so that means that it comes with a lav mic. This is what I wanted. Basically, you have the lav mic, this is the portable recorder, and then you have the clip for your belt and the clip for the little microphone. So I thought we'd open this together. I'll plug it in, we'll test it out, and from now on I think I'll be using this for my voice instead of this bad boy. All right, let's do it. Just for fun, I'm gonna go ahead and do my intro. First off, using the iRig mic. Hello everyone, I'm Pat, and welcome back to another video. Now let's switch to the Zoom F1-LP. Hello everyone, I'm Pat, and welcome back to another... You know what? Enough unboxing. Let's do some pros and cons. Pro number one, I can stand anywhere in the jam space, and there's no difference in audio quality or volume. Pro number one, I can stand anywhere in the jam space, and there's no difference in audio quality. I don't have to be in the jam space. I can actually be anywhere, and there's no difference in audio quality or volume. Love this! Con number one, this clip is made of plastic. I just don't know how long it's gonna last. Pro number three, professional features, no professional features. Pro number four, secure connection versus dongles. Don't want those. Pro number five, belt clip. Con number two, no hot shoe mount. If I want to mount this to my camera, I need this adapter, which only comes with that kit. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to figure something out. But pro number five, compatible with Zoom's entire line of 10-pin microphones. Amazing. Yeah, you know what? I think the pros win it. I can't really think of any more cons. I mean, this has removable storage, a micro USB port. It's got a hold function if you want to put it in your pocket. It's just such a cool little device. It feels great to have a professional device in my hands, not having to rely on crappy Amazon accessories. So happy to have this. So, what's the verdict? Did I convince myself? Was this a good idea? Well, I think it actually was. You know, sometimes it's good to invest some good money for high quality products, and this is definitely one of them. I love that all I had to do was just hit record, and then I can just put it in my pocket or clip it to my belt and go about making my video. My old mic always required me to get my phone out, start voice memos and test whether or not it was working, and then after the matter, I'd have to transfer it to Dropbox or AirDrop and anything. It was just adding friction between my idea and making my video. And your gear should reduce that friction as much as possible. And if sometimes you have to drop good money for that, well, you know what? Sometimes it's worth it. But that is all for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it and you found it useful. If so, please leave a like on your way out. It really makes a huge difference for such a small creator as myself. Zoom F1-LP, really recommend it. It's not new by any means. Well, it came out 6 months ago, but you should definitely check it out if you've got some money to spare for a really good voice recording system. Highly recommended. In any case, Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, podcast, Facebook links, that stuff is all down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Woo! Holy shit! Did you see that? I guess that's pro number 6, durability or flyability. Isn't this a fun angle? So dramatic, right? You know, one of the only reasons why I don't vlog, aside from the fact that my life is kind of boring, I don't have an autofocus on this camera. I gotta get a better camera, right? That's the next step now that audio is, see what I'm saying? So I could be going the entire day like, hey, what's up everybody? Make sure to smash the like button. But there we go, that's much better. Once I get a better camera that has autofocus, maybe then I'll start vlogging. I'll think about it, okay? We'll see. The priority was getting myself a high quality recording device, and that's out of the way. So, you know, baby steps. Maybe a camera will come next. Anyway, most recent upload, another video. Subscribe maybe right here. Let's get it up to 20, huh? 20 subs, that'd be nice. Anyway, see you next time, bye.